Hello everyone, hope you're all well. It's Nathan from Quality Electrician. It is the season, it's red hot. Well, it's not so red hot now because it's British weather and all that. It's a bit cooler today, but we managed to get over to a customer's house and fit this lovely light. And I want to show you, it might be a bit of a shock to you what this does. But it just looks like an ordinary light. There we go, we've got a remote. But then we've got this function as well. See, it's spinning now, it's going to take off. Beautiful. It's a fan light. But you wouldn't know it's not your typical one. This is from Philips, it's called a Philips Atlas fan. There's all sorts of settings, speed settings and things like that, all on the remote. You can change the colour temperature, you can change it to winter mode where it pulls the air up instead of down, so you don't get a breeze. But it just circulates the warm air in your room, which is a great feature. So yeah, it's lovely. It's got a lovely breeze. Bit of a shock when you turn it off. The blades then go back in very slowly. Just watching it go. There we go. That retracts and goes away. Let me know what you think in the comments. If it's something that interests you, then let me know. This is certainly a more budget-friendly thing than air conditioning at the minute. Not that you can get any units right at this time. So yeah, let me know. I'm Nathan from Quality Electrician, your local extract fan specialist.